In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the split node. The split node splits a dataset into two different datasets by randomly placing data points in two buckets. This is the most common way to create a training and testing dataset for machine learning models. This node can also be used to take a small sample of a larger dataset while testing. Here in the configuration pane for the split node, the only option that the user needs to configure is the fraction. This will determine what proportion of the data points are assigned to each bucket. This fraction shown here will be assigned to the bucket that comes off of the upper edge. In this example, 80% of the data will flow through this edge, edge number 2, and 20% of the data will flow through edge number 3. I've also put count nodes here so that we can see the distribution in the execution page. Here in the execution page, the first count node that got executed shows that we have a count of 168 data points. And the second count node that followed from the bottom edge has only 41 data points. This represents 20% of the data, while the upper edge contains 80% of the data. Thank you for listening.